Hello everyone, welcome back to online teaching of science lecture. In previous lecture, we studied non-infectious diseases. We studied about what is called the non-infectious diseases, and we take the example of the non-infectious disease diabetes. We seen that what is called a diabetes and what are the reasons, symptoms, and what are the preventive measures of the diabetes. Now today we are going to learn about the cancer. Cancer. This is the example of non-infectious diseases. Cancer means uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. What are the reasons of the cancer? The reasons are consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content. Fiber content means fruits and leafy vegetables in food, excessive consumption of junk food. You know always that junk food, everybody like that junk food like pizza, burger, vada pav, etc. are some of the many possible reasons, and heredity may also be reason for the cancer. Heredity means sometimes it is passing from their parents to their offsprings. Now we will see the symptoms of the cancer. First one, chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swelling. Second, incurable scare and inflammation. Incurable scare means incurable injury, and inflammation means swelling in the injury. Lumps in breast, and last one is unexplained weight loss. Do you know modern diagnostic and treatment of the cancer? Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy, and another method like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery, robotic and laparoscopic surgery. They are the used for the cancer. Now we will see the modern diagnostic and treatment of the cancer in details. Various techniques like CT scan. CT scan means computed tomography. It is the modern X-ray technology. MRI scan. MRI means a magnetic resonance imaging. Mammography. Mammography is a technique using X-ray to diagnose and locate tumors of the breast. Now, what is the biopsy? Biopsy is a sample of tissue taken from the body in order to examine it more closely. And what is the chemotherapy? It is a drug treatment that uses powerful chemicals to kill fast growing cells in your body. Now you tell me which are the modern diagnostics and treatment of the cancer. They are using the techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy. They are using the diagnosis of the cancer. And in any other cases, they use the methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy and surgery, and modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery. They are also followed in the cancer. Always remember, controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancer. Physical exercise along with the modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Means controlled diet and physical exercise, they are beneficial to cure the cancer. And avoid addictions like tobacco chewing, smoking, etc. In next session, we will discuss about the heart diseases.